What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, your friend in crime with Amazon slash Kindle self-publishing, aka the guy who's a little bit too loud with his earnings progress, aka the idiot who gives good keywords away. Here to bring you a video today about doubleyourkindlesales.com. I was giving a review on this yesterday, and so far we've got quite a few members signed up to the new course. Sincere thank you to those who have signed up through me. Appreciate it. The deal is until the end of tonight. If you buy doubleyourkindlesales.com through my link below, if you use my link below, I'll give you a full 2 hours of my time with whatever you need on your current Amazon business with self-publishing. Now, why am I giving you this sweet offer? I'm trying to get you to move your ass to this awesome deal we've got going on with doubleyourkindlesales.com. If you don't already know, this is a course created by Oliver Al Gore, aka Ollie, from our group at My Self-Publishing Blueprint. He is a student who's gone from making $20 last month, in the month of August, to earning literally $13,000, over $13,000, just in the month of March alone from Kindle Publishing with just 31 books. And, you know, this guy was bad enough to provide dashboards and shit, so that's awesome. Now, what's this course all about? It's about providing, well, a lot of things. First, the optimal way to write out book descriptions, titles, marketing hooks that you can use to further your sales for existing books. That's something that's been truly underestimated with what you are able to convey. Whether it's an emotional need to buy a book, maybe it's solving a problem, whatever it is, why someone should buy your book. I mean, you can have the nice cover, you can have the low price, everyone can have that. But does everyone on Amazon have sick ad copy? No, not so much. Especially with the self-published people, you don't really see that. So this is a course that can really make a difference with existing sales for you. And it's also a course that provides you such awesome insight on how you can use or spin around existing books that you are doing well for you with certain keywords, looking at that keyword again, re-examine it, and look for different angles or hooks, if you will, to be profitable yet again with the same keyword, but have potential customers or even people who have bought your book before buy your books all over again. So this is what it's all about. Disclaimer, this course is absolutely not for brand new publishers. If you're figuring out what trim size is best for your paperback, or you're asking, hey, please give me a keyword. Please give me a keyword. Please, Jacob, please. This course is not going to help you out with that. This course is for people who have already taken action with publishing books and want to 4x, 5x, 10x their game. This is like a course for someone, I'd say, who's made minimum $500 per month consistently on Amazon. Okay? So if you're one of those who can, follow through with not only buying the course, of course, but putting in through the work of making your Kindle business scale and achieve a level of income that can further your circumstances, whether it's paying off your mortgage, leaving your job, being able to travel all over the world, all over Asia, rampage Thailand like Ollie, shit like that. This is the course that can enable you. So once again, if you're interested, just check out the course. Link is below, doubleyourkindlesales.com. Again, buy through me, and I'll give you up to 2 hours of my time with coaching you on your business. Thanks. Bye.